Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Stacy. I hope you're having a great day and doing a lot of fun things at school and outside and enjoying this nice weather. It's so fun to have summer coming. I'm very excited about it. And some things you'll see in the yard, you see these little yellow flowers. They look like flowers. They're called dandelions. But what's fun is when they lose their flower, their bloom, they then get these little white things that you see blow in the wind. And a lot of times when I was a kid, we would pick it and you'd blow it and make a wish. So we are going to make colorful dandelions today. And you can see we have all these dandelion seeds which come after the bloom falls off. And you can pick it and make a wish and blow the little seeds into the air. Okay, we hope you have fun and we will get started. Okay, you'll need a piece of paper. This is cardstock, but you could use regular paper. If you're not going to do the finger painting in the example, I'll be doing the finger painting, but you could also use Q-tips if you want. Black marker, red, blue, and yellow paint, a paper plate, and then a paper towel to wipe your finger with if you're doing the finger painting. We're going to start drawing our dandelion by drawing a small circle in the middle. Okay, and you want it kind of near the top. Then we're going to go around and alternate large. Alternate means you're just going to do a pattern. Do a long one, then a short one. Do a long one, then a short one. Do a long one, then a short one. A long one, then a short one. Do a long one, then a short one. And they can be all different. They don't have to be the same. Then I want you to go one more time around and do in between those two. Okay, so you're just gonna put one in the middle of those. So you're gonna put a line in between these two, in between these two, in between these two, and go all the way around till you get back to the beginning again. So you should just have a circle and almost looking like a little star there. Now we're going to go around all these little lines, or lines that we worked on, and we're gonna put a little circle on the end of each one. So you're just gonna put like a little dot on the end of each one of these. These are gonna be the seeds on the end of our dandelion. And we want a lot of these because when we make a wish, we wanna have a lot of the little wishes go out, which is always fun to do. Just keep going around and adding your little circles. Now that we have all of the circles around our dandelion, we need a stem. So just pick a spot and you're gonna come down, and it could be kind of curved. You don't have to do it straight. You want it to kind of look loose, like it's blowing in the wind. Okay, now we're gonna go around and start doing our colors. So we're gonna do yellow first, so just dip a little bit in, and you're gonna try to go around the edges, and you can kind of go randomly. You don't have to have exactly the same, because we want all different ones. You're gonna go around and do a yellow. And you could do some of the smaller ones yellow. Put a few on there. And then also, we wanna have some that are blowing away in the wind when we're making our wish. So go ahead and add some there. Okay. Next, we're gonna add our red, and you don't even have to wipe your finger because we're gonna work on our color mixing, because when you guys get to kindergarten, I want them to see how awesome you are at color mixing. So we're gonna go ahead and you can add red to some of the yellows. And when it dries, it'll look a little more orange. And you can add some to its own spot too. You don't have to keep getting more color. Just keep doing it until your color runs out on your finger. And if you don't want to do this with your finger or the students' fingers, you can just use Q-tips too. Q-tips works really good. And then add a few blowing away. Now you can wipe your finger off, because we're gonna add some blue. So you're gonna take blue and go around your dots, and you can add some to the yellow, because guess what that makes? Remember? Green. So we're gonna go around and add some blue, and the yellow should make some green. You can even add it to some that you have orange already. And you can add it where there's no line either, just to make the dandelion look a little full. And also on the inside where there's no line, no dots, to make it look a little full. I'm just gonna add a little yellow to these. And just go around and keep adding. Now you don't have to wipe your finger off because we're gonna go around and add some blue to the reds and try to get some purple here. And if you don't have enough red on there, you can add a little more to make it look purple. You can add some purples in here too, to what's blowing away. This looks like it's gonna be a good wish. There's a lot of little dandelion seeds on here to make a good wish. There you go. There's your dandelion. Very pretty for the summer and so fun to make wishes with. And if you want, you can add at the end, make a wish. If you want to. I just think it's fun to put on there. Okay, Mr. Avery here had fun helping me make my dandelion, and I wonder what he's wishing for. I think he's wishing for bones. And I'm wishing that you all have a great week and weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care. Say bye-bye.